Welcome. We're back. We are back. Officially. Officially back. All right. All right. Let's see what is going on. Give me a moment. I have to bring a drink. So I'll be right back in a second. Let's see how this one's gonna go. Just a minute. Okay. So, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Zoltan, hello, see ya. Üdvözöllek. Alright. Having a bit of a food after the gym. I'm definitely long biased here. So, I like to see this go much higher. That's not accurate. Mid-level is gonna be somewhere. It's not super accurate. I'm gonna be looking at the 238 as the mid-level of the news fair value gap. Okay, 238. The London low has been taken out. That doesn't matter anymore. Oh, the level of Ollie has been taken. Nice. You can get that off too. Alright. Lots of things has happened so far. Let's move here. And let's follow with the things. 1 hour on the 1 minute chart. Will be an interesting start, that's for sure. Okay, fine. Fine. We have a gap at 284. A little bit tempted to go up, to jump into a long. Not gonna lie, but I guess we'll see. Alright, everybody, get prepared. Here comes the market open. Let's get it. Alright, so far a bit of a pullback here. Alright. Might want to take out, or can be inverting the gap here for the fair value gap. Nothing special on the mini. So what was that level? 238. Or 236, who knows? Right. Going lower just a bit. But how far? What is down there? What is down there? We have some relative equal lows on the 1 hour. We have some nice targets. Could go for it. Sell side liquidity is down somewhere around 983 as possible sell side liquidity. There was a 1 minute gap here. Might have picked up some orders from. Not really sure. Enter the long position. Enter the long, but it's a very, very, very risky one here. That's too much visual trading, trades, too much stuff there. I don't even have a stop loss on it yet. All right. Maybe it's a little bit too tight. The only thing I was utilizing is this gap of picking up liquidity and running for the midsection of that fair value gap. If not, then obviously just gonna be waiting for the next opportunity. Hey there. Hey Demander, previous weekly low down. We could go. Actually, if this one breaks the high, I think I'm just gonna put this to break even just to make sure all goes well. Actually, maybe I should just lower my I'm gonna move this to break even because I'm just not sure about the moves yet. If it takes me out, we're gonna be looking for something else. So let's wait this one out. If it's going to drop, there's obviously some very good targets on the downside. So uh-oh. That's it. That is it. That is it. Alright. Don't force it. It's better not to force it. Alright, liquidity picked up there. Maybe it wants to go lower. Maybe. You know, picked up this liquidity. Hard to say where could be the target on this. Whoa. Nice drop there. Do we have any other news right now? Oh, University of Michigan news. Okay. That could be interesting. Okay, so far nothing special. This here is kind of like an order block, a bullish one. Took a short down there. I'm gonna see it take out the bullish order block. It's not a perfect order block, so just to play it safe, I closed one. And I'm gonna put this to break even. It's just a probe trade, you know, nothing special. Just a probe trade. This level should be taken out now. Come on. Oh my god. You mother tucker. Come on. Oh. There you go. All right. I take it. Anytime, any day. Thank you. One break even, one win. Now let's see the next one. Let's see the next one. First fair value gap has been presented. How did I even spot? We can talk about it actually. Kenny, welcome. So that you can see that this bearish candle actually traded lower one tick, and the bullish candles after that actually it's not a perfect order block, but it shifted structure with bullish movement here. This one here has been shifted, this one has been shifted. So this here is an order block. Now what happened is, first sign is that it has reversed on that fair value gap, and that's it. I was actually too late. I was waiting for how this candle is gonna close. It closed bearish, and I thought, you know, because this candle, the 930 candle actually swept this high with a tick, it should be logical to take out this bullish order block. So I actually entered like 10 points lower or 15 points lower than I should have, but that was the logic. It's technically, it was still consolidating, but if you look at this closer, the 930 swept the high. This was a lower bearish push. This is order block. Inverted this gap down there, and boom, that's it. I was hesitating for like 15 points. But this was taken on a MyFundedFutures funded account. Thank you, MyFundedFutures. Alright, I'm crazy. I don't know why I'm like this today. Which was, oh, this was, okay, $100 on a MyFundedFutures funded account. This is actually up, to 1,244, and the other one is almost up to made today on a brand new account on the NFP. I made $476 on this Apex account. So overall, I'm good. Got a 50K, not looking great at a minute. You know, rinse and repeat, Kenny. That's what it's all about. Just, you know, don't give up. Just don't give up. So as of right now, I'm bullish, by the way, and I think the draw on liquidity, I can officially call it, I think is 238 is the low hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit for bull. Okay. Okay. 4 bulls. If it goes there, that's the low-hanging fruit. So that would be the highest probability target if this would shift up. If. So let's put that 2 letters there. If this would shift higher, and that's a big if, that would be the low-hanging fruit. 238. And we have sell side 983. Oh yeah, that's the that's the low of the previous swings. Okay. You know what? It's not too far on a day like this. It's like very, 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 very close for Nasdaq. Oh my God! It's just one single drop, like boom, and we're down there. I think everybody wants to wait for the University of Michigan numbers. And let's see the first fair value gap here. Almost forgot to put this out here. First fair value gap. First, come on, first fair value gap. Right there. Okay. Is that the first one? Yes, that's the first fair value gap. This is acting as possible resistance now. Okay, looking for it to... I'm actually looking for price to invert this gap. If not, that's cool too. This is rejecting. It seems like a rejection to put out this low. This was a news low, right? Down at 44. Let me check something here real quick. Yeah, down at 44. I think there's a good chance that it wants to go down there. 44, right? I'm not in a trade. I'm not entering. I'm just saying this was a clean rejection. This is not an entry model. It just rejected it nicely. It looked like a bearish flag. Obviously, there's no entry here for me. So I'm still just going to wait. Okay. Are we seeing a possible inversion here? Good morning, Kirktown. News at 10 a.m. Yes. Previous week low. Nah, yeah, we have it right there. I have it on micro at 983, but somewhere around the 85 area. Yes, we have it right there. Previous week low. Gotta be careful. Gotta watch out. The distance is right now 140 points. So yeah, let's see. 140 points. Push the like button and subscribe. I have to put that advertisement right there. All right, are we going to see an inversion here? Okay. Not my type of entry, but it's tempting. Man, not my type of entry, but it's really, 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 really tempting. But I just don't know. I just don't know, guys. All right. Now this one is a bearish move. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Jeez. It's gonna go. I'm not in a trade. Did not enter. How far is it? It's like 10 points. Just wondering. Is it gonna try to push it and maybe all the way down? Just wondering. Oh, it went down. All right, nice. All the way. I had no entry here, so when I'm gonna enter, I'm gonna let you guys know, but there was no entry here that I liked, and it seems like we're going for the previous day, sorry, previous week low. That's what we're going for. I don't know, I'm tempted to enter. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't want to scalp it. It's just so close, you know. 85 down there. You know. Even if it just goes down to the 90, that would kind of create an equal low here. Let's just wait this one out to see if it wants to take that low or not. Picking up maybe some orders on this 1 minute gap here. No question. Do prop firm account act funny if you hold a trade for just a few seconds? That's a good question. If for just a few, when there's big news events or like high volatility like NFP day, it's not just because of the prop firm. It's not, you know, these accounts are demo accounts, these simulated accounts, and you know, there could be some technical errors, but it could act up funny. Yeah, especially on days like this. Especially on days like this, so gotta watch out, you know. So is this the previous week low? I'm gonna write this here. Previous week low. So far, just hovering. We still have the macro is here, and we still have less than 10 minutes until the news come out, so that could be interesting, I guess. That could be real interesting. Okay, repricing higher, which is good. It could be also a shift. Just University of Michigan revised numbers. Not high impact news, but I think the market still might want to wait for it. If they act like breaching rules by holding trade for a few, well, it depends on which prop firm, you know. For example, MyFundedFutures, if they see that someone is doing that all the time, that is something they don't like. If you just do it once or twice, for example, in MyFundedFutures, it's okay. But if they see someone doing it all the time, then it's not just MyFundedFutures, other prop firms don't like it as well. Except for Take Profit Trader, you can do what you want there. And what else? What else? Apex lets you do that nowadays. You just have to keep a proper risk management. Like, you know, don't let it go below 30% of your trading threshold. That's just a soft rule, so don't worry about it. But it is what it is. Okay, I wonder what's gonna happen now. Um, 12? No, let's see again. Maybe. No, it's gonna be 10. It's gonna be 10. 10 a.m. Eastern Standard, so it's gonna be in 7 minutes. 7 minutes. JT! Chopstick Man. Hey, JT, what's going on? Made some good trades? You're allergic to Apex? All right. JT, I hope you had some good trades there. We had a break even and a nice short. You're down on both funded. Oh, dude, come on, man. Oh, that's okay. That's nothing, man. That is not. You can make it back anytime. Trust me. That is like almost like scratch. It's fine. But you love me. Oh. Thank God. Kirktown, thank you. I'm relieved now. So what's it gonna be? Are we gonna go for that low, or are we gonna throw the towel and gonna look for some longs here? I think it's gonna stay like this until the news, so I'm not really comfortable just jumping into something. You know, we have the 10 a.m. new hour and everything. It's you know, kind of crazy. Very tough time. Last two funded down 1.2k on both fundeds because of a losing streak. It happens. JT, come on. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. December killed a lot of us, actually. And November was the end of November, the early December was very bad for me. It was very bad for me too. My December, I was starting out from zero. So I had to rebuild most of my funded accounts because either I burned them at the end of November or I blown them or I burned the profits in December. So during Santa. I asked you how the construction is going. Okay. Tell Greg. I put him on the list if he's not going to show up in the stream. All right? Just tell him that. Come on. Yeah, it sucks, but you know, we start over. That's what we do. The construction is okay, by the way. I'm going to show a picture next time. They're building up a super huge house, a mansion, actually. Maybe for the Adams family, or I don't know, but it's a huge, huge thing that they're building. All right, less than 4 minutes until the news. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Oops. This is how I control my sanity. With chopsticks. I think it's easier. Not much to do here, guys. We have to wait for the news to see what they want to do here. They might push it higher because no matter how I look at this, this is a bearish order block ish thingy up there. So I wouldn't be surprised on a move. Actually, so you know, we just have to wait. What website did you check for the news? Oh, forexfactory.com. forexfactory.com. I don't know if you guys... Oh, because my screen is cropped. It's forexfactory.com. That's where you can check it. Or there's another website. Anyway, I don't know the name. But yeah. All right, 2 minutes until news. Let's get it. Because it's Amber, we are allowed to trade it when using MyFundedFutures. What? Because it's Amber, we are allowed to trade it when using MyFundedFutures. I don't understand the question, but use TradingView calendar. That's good too. And there is website. I don't know the name of it. I think my FX book has also an economic calendar, and investment.com or something, they also have an economic calendar. I just used to Forex Factory. That's it. I just like to use them. All right, less than 1 minute until the news. Let's see, what's it gonna be? Are we gonna see a history being made? A weekly low being taken out? Are we gonna see it? Or this is just gonna shoot all the way up? This is actually looks like it. Look at this. Picking up liquidity here. This is a classic ICT entry here. U2 2022 model. Or 23 model, I don't even know. 22 model. Alright, here we go. 5 seconds. To just be with you guys in a second, and boom. Jesus, what is going on here? Oh my god, what just happened? Whew. So this was a medium impact news. University of Michigan revised numbers, and that's how important it was. Sometimes it's interesting how the markets react, by the way, just saying. But anyway, moving on. Moving on. Moving on, moving on. Oh, look at that. Previous week. Okay, made history, everybody. All right, let me get the chat. We made history together. When using MyFundedFutures, they don't let you... Oh, tier 1 news. Yeah. There was a... Yes, but this is not a tier 1 news. FOMC and NFP are tier 1 news, but University of Michigan was not. Look at that. Who just got dragged through the... Okay. Hey, Greg. What's up, Greg? The construction is actually looking pretty good. And if you come back next time, I'm going to promise to you that I'm going to have a picture for you to show it. All right. Good to see you, Greg. What's up? Where have you been, man? You left me or what? What? I know what you're doing. You're hanging around with JT. Okay. All right. I served in the army. Yes, I served in the army. I can actually show you guys pictures as proof that I'm actually in I was in Africa with the NATO forces. This is not even a joke. It's no troll. It's real. So I was there. I was like a babyface super young guy. I was like 24, 22 years old or something. 22, 23, 20. I don't know how much. But yeah, I was in NATO forces. I was. All right. I'm going to show you. JT is not believing. All right. All right. I'm going to take note on that one. JT is not a believer. Actually, I still have the folder to you guys to show it. I have it somewhere. Boom. Ha! Ha ha! You see, who's that good looking fella? Huh? Huh? Who's that good looking guy? Anyway, I think I have another picture somewhere. I was actually having a good time with the natives as well. Oh, look at that good looking guy. This guy, we were having a party there. You know, some good party. Oh, wow, we're dropping. And I think I have not. I have something. Anyway. I have so many pictures. Showing the pictures, I showed him. Is he here? In which country? Well, on the African continent, we went to Cape Verde, and then and then I have to search for the name of the town because I'm not going to find it. But I know, but we were also stationed at Morocco, not Morocco, but I know that small town's name. Just a second. We were in Morocco, but we stationed next to Morocco as well, and we were also flown out to Cape Verde, to the islands, to make water, you know. Hungarian John Wick, yeah. I don't know the name of the. I have it somewhere. Actually, we were having we constructed a base, and that's where we were deployed. But most of our time, we spent our time on Cape Verde. Cape Verde. That's how they say it, on the green islands or Cape Verde. I don't know. I'm gonna show you a picture. I was in the water purification unit, and so what we were doing is we were actually making water from the ocean. I mean, drinkable water from the ocean. So what I was doing is, where is that picture, man? Oh, these are my colleagues. These are colleagues. So people thought that we are actually Italians, you know, because the flag on our shoulder. Oh, I can't zoom in. All right. So they thought that we are Italians because the flag is almost the same, but we were not. But one guy recognized and said, "Pushkash, Pushkash," you know. Actually, I don't know where that picture is. But anyway, we were next to the ocean, and we were making drinkable water from the ocean. That's what we were doing. We were having huge machines that we were using to purify water, but I don't know. So that's how we made the water. And other soldiers came into our base and took the water from our camp. Yeah, it was quite interesting. I did not fight. I was not in a fighting unit. we were basically logistics unit, so I was not fighting, but we had weapons, but oh yeah. Yeah, so I was not in a fighting unit, I was in a logistical unit, so we were basically doing that. My kill count, it's a secret, top secret. It's top secret, military secrets. But I have some cool pictures, you know. I'm just looking for. This is where we were sleeping in the tents. So and what else? We had some good times. We actually found the Stargate. Probably could have been a Stargate, but I can't find it. It's quite interesting. I don't know where it is. Anyway, the whole place was a little bit. Oh, that's the ocean. The whole place was a little bit interesting. It was pretty rocky and sandy, you know. Not too many trees. This was a small little town, not too far from us. Anyway, too much memories. All right, we're still watching this, and I don't know where this is gonna go. Obviously, we have some targets down there. The next sell side liquidity would be next sell side 810, down at 810. So I don't know if we're gonna deliver down there. That's it for my dreams to go long, but I'm still gonna wait. And what I'm gonna do now, okay, now I see what's going on. This is the 15-minute chart, and I don't want to jinx it, but there is a very, 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 very nice area here to target for later, which is gonna be a 15-minute CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. That's the goal, you know. That's the goal to do it. Wait for ES to sweep low. Oh yeah, I haven't even checked on it. Just a second. I don't even have my charts marked up on ES. There is an hourly fair value. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. Okay. It didn't go there. It didn't sweep it. No. So that is on the 1 hour. The level will be down there at 58.54. Almost went down there. Let's put an alert 54.25. All right. Putting an alert for ES just to remind us if something is going on. I'm not jumping into a short. 58. Oh yeah, but the first fair value gap. I mean, the nearest fair value gap. That's true. I was looking for the nearest fair value gap. Just a second. I'll be right back. I'm gonna check something. Don't go anywhere. Push the like, subscribe. I'll be right back and waiting for some trades. All right, we're back. We're back on track. And we have ES sweeping the lows 50. I mean, not the lows, the fair value gap 58, 54.25 has been taken. So, alert, alert. All right. We have the alert. Where is everybody? Come on. So what are you guys up to? What's the plan? Give me the info. We have the 15-minute CB up there, which I'm gonna be considering as possible target to the upside. Now I am looking for longs. I am gonna be looking for longs, that's for sure. Let's see what's happening now. Liquidity at 980. What's the high here? I'm gonna get this off. The high here is 84.25. All right. Gotta watch out. First fair value gap, we're gonna give a different color to it. Okay. That is a very, very nice area to target. Center. No, I'm gonna put this to the right and to the bottom. All right, let's see. What else do we got here? You have a flat candle, no displacement. For now, it definitely looks bearish. No change in the delivery. So, Said, hey! Good morning. Welcome back. How's it going? How's it going? Doing good, doing good. You know, I was a little bit scared of what to do on this NFP day, but you know, I'm pretty much good for the day. How are you doing? Like would Joey ask in the series Friends, how you doing? No, not that way. Oh, let me put this here. You just opened your PC. All right. Don't worry. It's all good. You still did not miss anything. If you want to join the action, you still have some good levels here ready to be taken. So let's go. How far is this? I'm gonna go up. 983. The distance about 40 points ish. Inversion on the 5-minute. All right. 963. Oh yeah, it wants to go. It wants to go. Maybe. Who knows? The 5-minute kind of looked like a possible inversion there. Well, we have liquidity at, what's the high here? 63. Yeah. That is at 63. All right, we got that. We got the 63. I made a scalp trade there. It was too late to announce it. Actually, it was just a few seconds, but I made a small scalp on this one. I wish week closing will be green. I wish you the same, dude. I wish you absolutely the same. Yeah, good area. We have. Oh yeah, we have definitely weekly fair value gap. Yeah. But seems like it has already reached for liquidity. So now comes the big question. I mean, we have some good levels up there. We have a nice order block combined with the first fair value gap. That's that up there is a very good target. I'm telling you guys. The first fair value gap combined with this is an extremely good target. Oops, and one more thing. We have almost the same situation here. Look at that. This one. The same situation. We talked about this in London session. Boom. Look at that. Thank you for the hearts. Everybody, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you would like to pick up some prop firm accounts, please don't forget to use my codes if you would like to support the stream. You know, I'm not super rich as Patrick Wieland, but all right. What is going on? 52, 54, 56. I think it wants to go to that gap. What's the high there? Is 84.25. That's 20 points. I scalping it. Okay, I scalped it again. There's a gap, by the way. Maybe it's just Reload. Okay, nothing else. I scalped it again for a few points. I had to restart a few Bulenox accounts. Actually, 2 Bulenox accounts, but almost 3, because those are the ones that suffered the most. I was building up my Apex and MyFundedFutures accounts, but I haven't really looked into too much to my Bulenox. I had a Bulenox account. It was so close to pay out, but I messed it up. I take along with a few ticks, as always. Hey, listen, as long as it makes money for you, you know, that's all that matters. That is all that matters. This is kind of like a target here. I think it wants to go there. I entered a scalp, but I think I'm going to close it. This would be at 29-ish, maybe. Maybe. Who knows? All right, this would be my, if I want to scalp it, I want to see 29. It's going to pick up orders from here as well. There's a 50% level on fib on that last green candle. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Understand. Okay, so we could be going into the 30s. If you're scalping it, I jumped into a scalp. It could be good. Oh, you guys don't see it. Hold on. Here it is. This is going to be a bit of a crazy trade. I don't even have a stop on it yet. It's a negative risk to reward ratio, but I'm going to close it manually if I have to. It's going to pick up orders from this gap. And at this point, I'm willing to add to it. If not, by the way, this gap is because of the server thingy. I refreshed that it's good now. It was a server issue. So maybe I would modify the TP to 29. Yeah, 29. But I have a feeling that it's going to pick up orders from 78 to 69. That's what I'm afraid of. Oh, really? Shoot me. What happened, JT? Is there a question? What is the difference between a gambler and a professional trader? Very simple. You put on the sign gambler and you put your face below it, and you put on the sign professional trader and you have my face below it, and there you go. Simple answer. So all right, but really, what is the question? What is the difference between a gambler and a professional trader? The obvious answer would be, I think a professional trader trades by rules, while a gambler does not have any rules. You know, that would be the answer, I think. So if you're trading by the rules, by a set of rules, you're actually a professional trader, especially if you're getting payouts. You know, if not even constantly getting paid out, but if you're getting payouts here and there, you know, if you always play your entry by a set of rules, that is what makes you a quote-unquote professional trader and not a gambler. You know, not just, you know, jumping in the market, doing crazy things. Looking for the order block here, everybody. You know what? I want to do a joint stream with JT. I want to do a joint stream with him. All right, what's it gonna be? Are we gonna go back or what the heck? Oh, come on. Take it. F it. I'm gonna close it. All right. It should have been taken, but hey, I'm not worried. I made money. Okay. I made profits. I'm okay. Great answer. You mean the first one, right? Yeah, I mean, that's basically it. So if you're trading by your set of rules, your entry model, you're good. That's what it takes. That's what it takes, man. You have to be prepared for losing streaks as well. Even though if you have an edge against the market, losing streaks are inevitable. And some might say, especially if you're on YouTube, that, oh man, you're just gambling this and this and blah. You know, you will find these kind of people, trust me, or these people will find you. But trust me, it's part of the process. And just trade by your system, carve out your entry, and that's what's gonna make a difference. Who am I talking to? Guys, I am so green on the day, I can't believe it. My new Bulenox accounts are green. And the good thing, I haven't copy traded any of them. Any of them. No trades have been copy traded so far, and all of the accounts are green. Well, as much as, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here are the accounts, by the way. So this Apex account, so far nothing special. 1,226. This other one, I had to restart everything, by the way. So $343 on this. There is nothing here. It stands at 1,067. Stands at 892. 1,133. $476 on this brand new Apex account. This Bulenox account is up 430, up to 679. This other one, these are new. This is up to 562, also new. And this is up to 519. And the MyFundedFutures funded account is up just $100, which is okay, no problem. Getting closer to a payout with this one as well. And this one is almost at payout. So hopefully something will happen. Yeah, we have to keep it up. We have to keep it up. Oh man, I really owe you guys a recap video where we will be keeping track of the accounts and how I'm doing. I owe you guys that. I promised for the first few days of the year, and I haven't done it yet. It's not, I mean, it doesn't take too much to make it. And we're going into the 15-minute CB right there, 47. It's gonna go. Should have held the trade, by the way, until then. Interesting that it didn't go down there, picked up orders. I mean, didn't pick up orders down here on this 1 minute gap. But it should be going into the CB right there. There you go. 54, I think, is the level. It's not far, I think. I think it's at, is it at 54? I don't even know. There it starts. What's the high of this candle? The high of this candle is 54. Okay. At least on the micro. On the mini, 53. Okay. 53. Almost went up there. It was close. So we're very close to that CB up there. Not sure. Not sure about how it's gonna go, but you know. 0.24 opening price. Oh, I see. Well, the 54, right? Not sure. Could be some high resistance there. High to the right. The time now is, well, we still have time until the macro as well. Quite close. Not really sure if it's gonna go for it or not, but you know. Or is it gonna go for the, it might have to go for the midsection right there at the 60s maybe. All right, it went higher. Nice, good trade. Good one. Exactly between 0.61 and 0.5. I haven't even checked the fib. But look at this first fair value gap up there. So tempting. And we still have a lot of good targets to the upside. Let's look at the 1 hour. Just for a brief moment here. Imagine if we would go back up there. Low hanging fruit 238, we talked about that level earlier. The first fair value gap is pretty, oh my god, the 0.96 is just screaming. I'm telling you guys, if it's gonna retrace back down here to pick up some orders, I'm gonna jump into a trade right there. I don't care. I don't care about tomorrow. I don't care about anything. Who cares about anything anymore? It's not gonna go back. It's inverting this. I just don't know. All right, I am entering to a long, targeting 98. 98. Yeah. Very small position. Tight stop. Let me show you. No, not this one. I don't even have a stop on it yet officially. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not good. If I lose this, I'm gonna be down $50. But if I win, I think I can make about 100. 5 minutes. All right. Let's see if it closes. It closed, right? It closed. That's a good sign, but the not too good sign is that it might want to pick up some orders below my stop. Dang it. Dang it. All right, we need a loss every now and then, right? We can't win all the trades. That would be too much. Come on. Oh. High resistance. What is happening here? That's an order block. It has to go up there, and we have the first presentation gap at 07 or something. I don't know. Come on. Just push it. Just push it. Fingers crossed. Let's go. Push it up there, baby. Oh no. It's never that simple, right? No problem. No problem. We're gonna be. Oh, how am I still in this trade? All right, now I lost $49.04. The thing is that I think it will still go up. It has to. But I think. Oh man, I'm so tempted to jump in again. I'm so tempted to jump in again. I don't want to. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Give me a better entry. Oh no. Now this is getting serious now. We're getting serious here. Exactly. Exactly. That's what we can do. But what I'm looking to do here is actually I'm going to raise my TP to 06. To 106. Sorry. To 106. 105.75 actually. To have a nice risk to reward on this one. I want to get back to the first fair value gap. Let's go home, baby. Take it home. Take it home. Just take it home. You don't want to go down. If it goes down, fine. Let's go down. No problem. But where does it want to go? Oh shit. It wants to go down. Jeez. But where does it want to go? If it wants to go, there is a gap down there. I don't want to jinx it in, but I don't know. Macro is kicking in 5 minutes, less than 5 actually. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. We want to get back to the first fair value gap. That's what we want to do. This is what you and I have agreed upon. That we're going home to the fair, not to fast track trading, to the fair value gap. First fair value gap. Uh-oh. Oh man. I did not like this wick here. I gotta use the chopsticks to make a miracle here. What is happening? Come on. I know you want to push it. Let's go to the fair value gap. That's what needs to be done. Let's go. We need to go up there. 106. No way around it. So come on, NASDAQ. I know this is what you want to do. I know. Come on. All right. You guys did not hear it. I'm good. All right. Yes, we are good. We are good. Now recap. All right. By the way, next target, you know what I say about these areas. This should be broken. So it should break the 137. And then we have an Asia low, previous day low, I don't care. This could be high resistance if we get up there, but the next target would be 137. 137, let's go. Should have taken this trade on the MyFundedFutures account, damn it. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Too late. Too late for it now. Kudos, thank you, thank you. But now, if someone is still holding it, I should learn to hold it for longer. Not that, but 136.75. What's the high is? Oh, 37.25. Sorry, but we should be kicking that level. Guys, today I am on fire. I just, we had some pretty awesome trades in London session, some good trades in New York. Super green overall, every account. This is my best Friday so far in the I'm not gonna lie, in the past couple of months. This is one of my best Fridays, if not the best, but one of my best for sure. Without copy trading. So I'm on fire today. Yes, Saeed. Let's go. TGIF, yeah, this is a thank God it's Friday situation. It might just, go. Everybody squeezed. It's picking up orders here. I still would like to see this one kicking off 137. But this can be tricky right now. It could return back down, even sweep orders below 41. Will you be live tomorrow? Only on weekdays. But I was thinking about what if I should be trading Bitcoin, but there's no platform. I don't care about Bitcoin itself, but as a market, the chart is the chart. I don't care if it's a Bitcoin chart or if it's whatever. But I just don't know which platform I could trade Bitcoin, and the weekends are usually pretty much boring. Going short now. Waiting for the 5-minute time frame for a value gap. All right. So to answer to your question, Kenny, if I would have a market to trade, I would, but I'm gonna be on Monday. I'm gonna be missing you guys. I love to trade, especially on a day like this. But are we going down lower or what? Uh-oh, it's sweeping the 41. Okay, sweeping the 41. Uh-oh, even going lower. What is happening? What's down there? Okay, let's watch this level here. Let's watch this level closer. 5-minute busy. Let's give it a different color. 5-minute busy down there. Have some. Thank you. Thank you. I will be trading half month, so really nice to have someone so knowledgeable to listen and try to take some notes. Oh, thank you, Kenny. You have got a follow from. Oh, thank you so much, Kenny. You're very kind. Thank you for the compliment. It feels good actually. It really feels good if I can actually, have some knowledgeable or valuable information for you guys to help out what to look for in trading. That's a really awesome thing. So turn that M10 flip zone, bearish. I never looked at the 10-minute chart. Look at the 10-minute. I mean, oh, that's bearish. Yeah, the 10-minute is bearish. I never ever looked at the 10-minute chart. Maybe 2 or 3 years ago, but only for a few times. But you know, there's nothing wrong trading on the 10-minute chart if you know what you're looking for. My favorite charts are the 1, the 5, the 15, and the 1 hour. I still have the 3-minute charts just to, you know, look what's happening in between the 1 and the 5. But 1, 5, 15, 1 hour. I don't even have the 30-minute on. Not that it's a bad time frame. I'm just not used to it. This is I'm looking for. The 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15. And I use the 1 hour as higher time frame for the sessions. So it looks like it's a possible shift. Look at that, for example, the 3-minute. I just talked about this. The 3-minute, if it's going to close like this, it's a nice little shift of the first fair value gap. Again, I mean, the first fair value gap is shifting it down. Structure shift here. Could be a situation if it leaves a gap here, you can take a short. I'm not going to take a short on this. I mean, never say never, but you can take a short for a good risk to reward ratio from that gap on the 3-minute, but I'm not gonna. Maybe I should. Damn it. I think it's gonna go down to 82. Why do I feel that's gonna happen? I feel we're gonna go down to 82, man. Damn it. We're going down to 80. I hate when I'm right and I'm not in the trade. Anyway, if it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down. If not, it's fine too. For now, this was a 1-minute bearish candle shift or whatever. And what else do we have? Short from here will be not much rewarded. Yeah, it could be. I'm just watching this 5-minute busy in case if it wants to pick up some orders. But for bigger targets, I'm still eyeballing that level above the first fair value gap up there. So that is what I'm watching. We'll see. We'll see. Nothing else is down here. Only an inversion gap on the downside. So some liquidity, yes, but not too much. Some liquidity, as I said, but not too much. So if it wants to go down, it starts. I don't even know where it starts. What's the low of this candle? 81.50. If it wants to pick up liquidity, I think it will. Jumped into a scalp for a few points there. Not there yet. I don't know what it wants to do here. Watching it closely. Be with you guys in a second. I'm watching it closely to close it or not. I'm in a short. My TP is 82. Entry is 02002.50. So looking for 20 points here. 002.50. My TP is 82. All right, it took it. It took it. Jesus. It took it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god. Oh, you guys didn't see it on the screen. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that I put it on the screen there. Let me show you. This was... I'm sorry you guys didn't see that. I was watching the other screen and I thought I left it. So here it was. I added 2 positions. Here was my shorts. I thought you guys saw that. I entered here. I don't know. Oh yeah, it was on this candle, and on the next candle I added to it, and here was the TP right there. So just a scalp to the 5 minute. That was it. That was it. Yeah, it was a good one. Actually, I made it on an Apex account, no copy trading, and today this account is up $943, which is good. I started today at 50,426, and I think this is more than enough for the consistency rule. I want to bring this up to around $3,000. That's the goal. And actually $3,100 is my goal, so I don't care about this profit. I'm gonna leave it, and the goal is to take out $1,000 on these Apex accounts. So this one I didn't take a trade. This one is up. This one I made only 157 on the previous trade. This is still good, and this one is also a new account, but this was a good one. I liked it. Nathan, good to see you, by the way. Good to see you. No, I don't think you can, Kenny. I'm actually just a small advice. I mean, nothing bad against TradingView. Let's begin with that. TradingView is an excellent platform for charting. Even trading is good for, but for example, scalping, I don't really like it. I don't think it's that user friendly. I think you're better off with any kind of direct, quote unquote, direct platform like Quantower, NinjaTrader, Tradeaway, because there is a slight delay, like a few milliseconds of delay in execution and even how the candles are printing. Just put next to each other a NinjaTrader or TradingView platform on the same time frame and watch how the candles are being printed. You will see that TradingView is actually always going to lag, and that's why I'm not really like to use it for trading. For example, if you would be swing trading, it's excellent, and that's something I would be looking into if I swing trade. But for intraday trading, not my favorite. Not my favorite. But you know, but there, I don't think you can copy trade. I never heard of a software or add-on that you can copy trade. For copy trading, I use I use Quantower's built-in copy trader. It's free. If you're using it on one prop firm or one broker, whatever, it's free. It's a built-in, so you scroll down and here's copy trader. Now it's stopped. I have a MyFundedFutures copy trader set up. For example, you can say like, okay, this is the parent connection, so this is the master account, and you copy trade it to the other one. But you can also do like add like a Apex account here, for example, and now you can, or you can add another one, like I have a day traders account there. You can just add it, or you can add another Bulenox account, and that's how simple it is to copy trade. You can multiply, you can do whatever you want. Very, 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 very simple. So that's why I like Quantower, because you can do it very easily between multiple prop firms, and it's free. I mean, no, at the same prop firm is free, but if you want to do it with multiple prop firms, then you have to buy a subscription, which is $30. I think I have a discount link maybe down there if you want. It's for $27. You can get the advanced futures, and with that you can connect to multiple prop firms and copy trade. So that's the thing. There's a delay in TradingView compared to, yeah, exactly, size. So there's always going to be a few milliseconds delay compared to the brokerage with TradingView. So to using MyFundedFutures straight away should be the best. How do I gain access? If you, for example, if you go with MyFundedFutures, if you buy an account, make sure to choose TradeAwait as your connection on the page where you choose. You choose TradeAwait, and you can log in down here. This is a paper trading account, but let me log out. Paper trading, log out, and you can choose TradeAwait. You see, like here, and you can just log into your MyFundedFutures account. Now I'm not logged into anything. And that's how easy it is to just log in to MyFundedFutures. That's it. I'm gonna log back into my superb paper trading account, which I'm up $1,800. Have you look at? Have you got a link? Oh yeah, sure. If you're looking for Quantower, there's a link in the description of the stream. If you just, scroll it down, you can see which platform I'm using. It has to be down there. If you scroll down, Discord membership, blog, platform I use. That's the Quantower discount link. If it's not giving you a discount, then I'm sorry, because it might be updating from the side of Quantower. But if you follow that link, it's gonna bring you to Quantower. It's $30. So the full package for Quantower is, I think, $100. You don't have to buy it. There's a section where you can select buy features apart, and you scroll down and you only have to look for advanced features, or advanced features, yeah, something like that. And it has the multiple connection in it. That's all you need. You don't need the extra indicators and all that such. You don't need anything of that if you're looking to copy trade between multiple prop firms. That is all. Like but it's free, by the way, so you can try it for free with one prop firm, and you can get used to it. I mean, you can connect to one prop firm at once. That's what it means by going with the free. Yeah, absolutely. You download it, it's free, and actually you can get a 7-day when you're a first subscriber at Quantower. For 7 days you can try out the multiple connection feature, because it's free for 7 days. So no credit card or anything needed. You can just try it out for 7 days, which is cool. Okay, so NQ is a little bit unplugged now. Is a little bit unplugged. Nothing special. All right. All right. I'm waiting for some kind of an entry or some kind of a move, but nothing is happening. All right, just waiting. Just waiting. Oh, real folks, we had the awesome session. We were killing it. We might go lower. All right, all right, all right. Nothing is moving unplugged, so the best thing we can do is wait. You got the 50? All right. Awesome. That's awesome, dude. Congrats, real folks. I'm glad your system works out, you know. That's cool. Use the 5 minute with the indicator. Oh yeah. I saved the settings, everything. Oh, not with the Heiken. Yeah, yeah, yeah. With the Heiken Ashi candles. All right. So far, not much is moving. We're just pretty much waiting for things to happen. Pretty much just waiting for things to happen, and I am not sure. The 5 minute is definitely bearish. I thought that we're still going up there, which we can. All right. And use candles to see where it start. Oh, I see. That's how simple. Just got a sell signal. Oh, all right. Tier 1 use at 12. There's, let's see. Today there's no tier, I mean, oh, the 12th. Okay, let's see. No tier 1 news. I thought you're going with the 12th of January, but no tier 1 news. Nothing left for today. That's it, basically. We're done with the news. It's just pure price action, nothing more. That's all we're looking at right now. Just price action. Okay, here it is. We see something here. 5 minute. This was kind of like an inversion. I'm gonna extend that level. There's another gap up there. We're getting gaps everywhere now. Okay, so far it seems like we might be shifting higher above the gap, or maybe I don't know. Kind of sketchy. Look at it from this point. Okay, there's a gap here. It's not an. I don't know. Almost jumped in, but I didn't. I think there's kind of like a high resistance here at this area. Kind of like a high resistance. So I gotta look at the 5 and the 15 minute to look around what's happening. Okay, we have the bottom of this inversion. That's going down. Alright. I'm not in a trade, but it's funny. It's funny to see it go down. Down to the 18, I think, to close down the gap or invert it again. What if it wants to go lower? I kind of like this move. I kind of like this push up there. Shifted structure. But where can it go? Picking up liquidity on this gap. It might want to break it. Bullish formation for now on this 1 minute. This is not my trade yet, so I'm not entering. Still don't know. Still don't know. This is bullish. I'm not going to take a trade until I see a proper displacement in a direction. Next level up there is I'm gonna put that aside, and I'm gonna be looking for another shift. If it closes above the 966, I might gonna look for the 02 level. Okay, now there's an interesting thing here. Almost picked up a trade down there. I was looking at this gap, and it didn't go down there to pick up this gap. Let me show you. I was looking at this one. I put a limit order at 49.25. The low of this candle is 49.25. I put a limit order there, and I would target that fair value gap. That's a 5-minute CB, I guess. I still have my limit order down there at 49.25, hoping to get picked up. But that's all. Long now or never, Dominic. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm having a limit order at that area, right there. But that's only limit. I'm risking about $40. I want to play it safe. Nothing special, but I'm gonna hold it if it picks up my order. All right. Still waiting. I like this move here, by the way. So I hope my order gets picked up. Almost being picked up. Not yet. Not yet. It might gonna be left here. It might gonna be left here. Still haven't went up and down there. I wanted to see this being picked up. Right there. That level. If that gets picked up, it should deliver up there. Yeah. So I'm still gonna wait. If it trades above the 80, then I'm just gonna leave it. Okay. Going down for it. It should be picked up. You're short. I'm gonna go long if I get picked up here. It's gonna be wild. All right, almost. All right. Picked up the order. Target would be 201, but I might not gonna get it. Look at this. Oh my god. It's gonna take me out. Limit up there. I'm gonna target the 20k. Now he's gonna take me out. Damn it. Damn it, damn it. No problem. It's $50. I'm fine with it. 50 bucks. I'm still gonna be in profit on the account, so that's why I'm playing it safe. If it gets below my stop, we're definitely going lower. Yep, this is it. All right. Still up 50. Oh yeah. So this account, I'm only down 42 bucks, not even 50. $42. Still up in profit. Yeah, it looks fast. It looks fast for sure. And interesting how this got inverted. I just don't have a target down there. Still, it's fine. Don't know, man. Should I jump in again? I'm not sure. I'm not sold on the idea to jump in again. Could be picking up orders all the way down to 918. And we still have the lunch hour, and we have an 810 sell side. But now that it's down here, it might just sweep the lows again. right. We're stuck here in this area. Yeah, I mean, I was just risking a bit of a profit. I mean, we are definitely very good, very green on the day. So I'm not doing any kind of crazy stuff now. I'm super happy with what we got. I'm still gonna be looking for a possible long entry, but I'm not sure. Maybe I shouldn't push it too much from here. I mean, the lunch hour can be still good. I do like the lunch hour. And by the way, let me say this. Take Profit Trader still has the sale with the no activation fee. If you guys want to check it out, use my code if you'd like to support. And MyFundedFutures, no activation fee and 20% off starter plus accounts. And check out the instant funded account with the milestone plan. That's also a good one. All right, seems like we might be having a possible shift. Yeah, I'm waiting too. At this area, I just can't go into a trade without seeing some kind of a possible um, displacement or forming some kind of a directional move. I want to see it happening first, and then we can do something about it. Yeah, exactly, Dominic. I feel that too. I think the Friday frenzy is cooling down now, and that's why I'm also considering. I mean, obviously, we're looking for some kind of good targets here. I see that 5-minute CB up there, and maybe it will sweep the lows, but so far, I'm just not sure. Mm-mm-mm. All right, let's see. 1st of November 24 is the target. Let's see the November 24. Oh, okay. Okay. Down there, right? You know what? I think, yeah, it kind of makes sense. We could. Question is, what can be done on a Friday after some major moves has happened? Hey, Domfinity, my P&L for today. We made some good moves. Let's see. Accounts. So on this Apex account, this is nothing. I haven't done anything on this one. This one I made 943. Up a little bit. This other funded account I made, oh, this is nothing. This one I made 157. No copy trading here. Nothing here. This one I made 476. On a Bulenox account, this one I made 430. This Bulenox account I made 562. This other one I made 519. This MyFundedFutures account I only made $58. This is the one we lost from the profits, but still up. And this other MyFundedFutures account I made 310. So getting closer to a payout now, 52,268. I could actually request a payout, but I'm pushing it a little bit more. So yeah, that's what happened today. The others are evaluations, and I'm working on the Take Profit Trader account. I'm working with Tick Trader. I still have the Tradeify account, but that's on TradeAway. So, you know, short now. Dominic says short. You also love payouts. All right, let's go, Kirktown. There's nothing better than a payout. I know. I mean, there are some things, but yeah. Dominic says short. I wish I could join you, Dominic, but you know that deviates from my plan. But I wish you the best of luck. I think you're very good on this short. You should be okay. How many winning trades versus losing? Today we had like 10 winners and 2 losses. Yeah, something like that. That's for today. It was on stream, including the London session and including the New York session. But I told you guys this has been an incredibly good day. So usually not like this, but we took like, with including the London session, in London we took 4 trades, 3 winners, 1 break even. In New York, mostly scalps, but we took like 5 or 6 trades. I'm not sure. Most of them were like about $500 of winners, 2 losses, with about, one was $90 and one was 50 something, but it was all on stream. So it was good. Been short since 11:15. Target 82. Okay, I think you can get. I think almost there. Can we standard deviation on that 10 a.m. manipulation for possible overextension targets? I never really did that, but overall, I don't know. I never really did those kind of far deviation. I mean, I like to go with the standard 2 deviations, but I don't know about the 4. Yes, made the lower low. Oh yeah, it did. So watch out for SMT, right? What a bearish day so far. No sign of recovering. Let's see the 5-minute. We still have some good targets up there. We have the first fair value gap up there. Nicely, you know, rejected price from there on the 5-minute. We're looking to go lower, maybe, not sure. But in between, if we want to take a long, there is nothing that really looks juicy except for this 5-minute gap. So if it would start to go higher, that's what I would target if it would go higher, but there's no sign of it going higher. For now, sell side liquidity 810 and should be taking out this AM session low maybe. So Dominic was absolutely right on this. Should dropping down to 874. We'll see. We'll see. I just can't jump into this one now, but I really wish you guys luck if you guys are short. Look up fast. I saw that. It's today's target. I saw it. Let me put a line there. I looked it up actually, the 1st of November. But that's far. Today we're not gonna make it down there. 1st of November. That's down here, dude. That is, I mean, with all respect, I respect you deeply, but look at that, it's down there at 314. That's a lot. I don't think we're gonna, that would be a huge sell-off. Maybe in the PM session, you say? 600 points. We're not gonna get there, I think. The 1st of November. That's too far, in my opinion. But maybe I'm wrong. By the way, just saying, Tick Trader is offering a flash sale, on the instant funded accounts. Now, obviously, it's more expensive than usual, but the 100K core account is available for $379 if you use the code, and the flash sale is up until Monday. I just got the email, and you can choose Tradeawait or Project X as a platform. That's the catch. So you have to go with Tradeawait or Project X. 100K instant funded account, no minimum trading days, withdraw anytime, withdraw from the safety net, and clear path to live trading. That's the thing. I just had to say it. I'm gonna put it out to the community tab too. It's $379 with the discount. The code is the same, of course. Tom Sabo, I'm sorry, this was the advertisement, but I just got the email that the flash sale has started for the instant direct funded account on the 100K. So I guess that's a good deal. I guess that's a good deal. Okay, long if you want to know. It's not. I'm not jumping into a long now, Dominic. I'm not saying we're going there yet. This is no entry for me here. Maybe I should have entered on the inversion. Maybe. But look at this. I missed my move. So you'll be able to withdraw any profits instantly and don't need to pass an evaluation. Yes, exactly, Kenny. Exactly. I mean, there's a threshold which you have to achieve, obviously, a safety net, but you can withdraw from the safety net. Just a second, let me get this straight. So it means The code for this sale is, oh, it's not even working. Or direct. Yeah, the 100K core direct account is working with the code. Yeah, so trade await and project X. Let me check the safety threshold. Man, I feel a FOMO coming in. This one is going to 21K. Dude. FOMO, as always. I'll be checking that for you in just a minute, Kenny. I just need to watch this chart because I'm a little bit eager to maybe take another trade on this if I can. All right, I jumped into a long position just to get back that $50. One micro targeting the 5-minute BC there. Actually, my TP is, I'm gonna add one more micro to this. My TP is 999. One micro, so nothing special. Nothing special. I'm not risking anything else. One more micro I might add to it. So I'm gonna DCA to this trade. Let me show you guys. There. So I might go into DCA. Here. Jesus. Oh, damn it. That's what I get for being greedy. Okay. All right. I can't risk more. Have to stop the bleeding. Picked up orders up there pretty nicely, so it could be a continuation to the downside. I might be offside here. I was hoping that we can catch the gap up there. It was so tempting. Only 2 micros, guys. Not the end of the world. We're still up. Very good for the day. And this will be the sign to stop pushing it for Friday. Exactly. All right, that's it. This account is down now $64. So that's it. Not pushing it. We're not gonna push it. Discover the secret. 927 is an entry for long. All right, let's go. I guess. Okay, so the threshold with Tick Tick Trader. Just a second there. I know it's here somewhere because I've written, I have it written down. And I have to look at it on the website. I can't find it here. Tick Tick Trader. Trading rules, daily loss, scroll down. Payout policy, there you go. Payout threshold, yeah. The threshold that you have to reach before taking a payout is $5,000 on the 100K account. So you have to get to a $150,000 level, and then you can withdraw up to $2,000 and you can continue to build it up. That's the thing. That is what you can do. What is happening here? Are we going back up there or what? Five-minute CB is looking very cool up there. Yes. You have to get to 105, and the drawdown. Just a second. Daily loss limit. Updated daily loss limit rule. They just updated it. Daily loss limit is $2,500. Yeah, $2,500 on the 100K account is the daily loss limit. And the overall loss on the Tick Tick Trader account on the 100K is 5,000. So that's good. That's basically good. So yeah, you just have to get to $5,000, but that, you know, you have a bigger leverage with this kind of account, obviously, but yeah. Well, not much is happening. The only thing that I'm seeing here is that we might gonna go a little bit sideways here. We are in the macro right now, so we could be approaching the launch hour with a bit of a movement. Not really sure. Not really sure, but that's the only target that I would say it looks okay for now. Or it's gonna drop real hard from here, especially in the lunch hour. We have to wait for the what's the drawdown? So we have to. Oh yeah, I answered that. Okay. I'm watching this chart, by the way, as close as possible, to see if it wants to shift down. And maybe, just maybe, we can take a nice trade on it. Shift the structure there. Target could be still down. Or this could be just part of the whole thing. Kind of looks like it might want to drop some more. Swept liquidity, flat candle down there. At 900, what's the low of that candle down there? I'm just watching at this. We have a 902 level. Kind of interesting. Picked up liquidity at 980. Flat candle down there at the open of this candle 01.50, which means that's, I don't know, it did not pick up liquidity from this gap, inverted that gap over there, this bullish one, the 1141 candle. I'm just afraid that we could go into a sideways action, and I don't want to get caught in it. So let's see what it wants to do. It's not an order block, but there is a flat candle down there. And yeah, we have the AM session low set at 74. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this area, but it's hard to decide what it might want to do. Is it going to sweep some levels, or is it, I don't know, is it going to bounce here? It's really hard to decide. Almost at the lunch hour now. Feels like it. How much? Yeah, we have less than 1 minute until lunch hour. Not sure if it wants that candle. Oh, it did want it. All right. No worries. I just can't enter a trade on this one. I just can't. I don't want to do anything crazy. It's going sideways. I wish I could tell you something better, but nothing. Mm-hmm. 874. Could that be a target? No, I'm not jumping in. I don't want to jinx it. Dominic will be right at the end of the day. Guys, it was an incredible session, but I don't think I should be pushing it. So I think I am going to call it here, and that's it for the week. This was an incredible week, an incredible day. So I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, everybody, for the support and for watching. This was awesome. Great day. So thank you again. Have a great weekend. I'll be back for Monday London session. Thank you, Kirktown and everybody. So I'll be back for Monday London session. I really want to the website. Oh, it's Tick Trader. Yeah, the funded. The Tick Trader fund. You can see it in the description or scroll up in the chat. There's a link in the description, affiliate link, wink. You know, there's a link in the description down there below the stream, and you can click on Tick Trader. And if you want to have the flash sale, which is until Monday on the direct account on the 100K, it's not Tom Sabo, it's Tom Sabo 2. So you have to put a number 2 against after the code. So Tom Sabo 2 for the 100K flash sale until it's up until Monday. So hey, Asmade Lorlo, let's go, man. Yeah, it was hard, but you know, it was kind of interesting too. So thank you again. I'm gonna put out a community tab with the flash sale on Tick Trader as well. Instant funded account. Go check him out. And again, everybody, have an awesome weekend. God bless everybody. If you would like to support, as always, please use my codes and click on my links. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. God bless you all. I'll see you guys next week in London. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless.